Hello, everybody. Please join me on a walking tour in San Francisco de Macorís downtown, here in the DR. Well, guys, what you watch at this moment, that's the, a gazebo, which is in the middle of the, Duarte Park. This is the main park in the city, right? Now I'm showing around all the area surrounding this important park here in San Francisco de Macorís. That iconic building houses the city hall of the in town, right? As you can notice, this is an important recreational point in the city. So that's why you see so many people, so many residents. In the background, you can see San Francisco Roman Catholic Church. Which is located a block away from the Duarte Park here in San Francisco de Macorís. And right there some, street art. Beautiful building, which is, which was built with twin towers in front of it. Now you can check out some recreational street art in front of the church. Well, if you ask me about what are the characters in this and these beautiful pictures, I will tell you that these are the Trinitarian group's members. Juan Pablo Duarte, the founding father of the country, is the person at the table. He's the person who is leading the meeting at that table. Well, I must tell you that, looking at these pictures, you may get a tour in Dominican history. while I keep up walking down the street. In the background, you can, spot the historical graveyard in town. Right there, you can see so many young people at a basketball court. And right there, the municipal, historical cemetery in town. And in front of this cemetery, there's also a tiny park, recreational park. And this is a tiny obelisk which is located in one of these small parks which are in front of the graveyard. Finally, I tell you that if you like my videos and want to support me, please make comments on my videos and also share it. And first of all, please subscribe. And that's it, guys.